Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm going to take you on a video walkthrough of our used 2007 Princecraft pontoon boat. This boat's great. It has the 94-stroke Mercury outboard motor. This boat comes equipped with double bimini for full coverage out there in the sun. This boat has full camper enclosure, brand new, never been used. So you can zip all the sides in on this boat and have full coverage, and anchor, sleep out on the boat, and not have to worry about bugs or sun or anything like that. This boat also just had brand new all upholstery done, just done this summer and never been used. So brand new upholstery, great boat, fun for the family. Has the ski tow bar. This is the brand new camper enclosure, all brand new, right here, all packaged together for you. It's got the Clarion stereo, Mercury controls. It's a wonderful boat. Has the onboard freshwater tank, so you have a little sink here for your days out on the lake. Beautiful boat, beautiful interior, fun boat for your family to get it on the lake and have a great time. Once again, this is a 2007 23-foot Princecraft with a 90 Mercury 4-stroke motor on it. Boat seats 12 people, so plenty of room for all you to get out on the lake and have a great time. Come and check this boat out at MarineMax in Greenville, or you can go ahead and check it out online at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or give us a call at 864-236-9005 and come and see this beautiful 2007 Princecraft pontoon boat. Thank you so much.